Have you ever seen a glow-in-the-dark forest or a sparkling sea wave at night? Picture this: a hushed darkness, punctuated by a mysterious ethereal glow. It's not magic, but it is nature in one of its most captivating performances. This is the intriguing world of bioluminescence, where organisms illuminate the dark with their own light. From twinkling fireflies to luminescent deep-sea creatures, this natural phenomenon adds a touch of enchantment to our world. Welcome to our exploration of nature's own light show, bioluminescence. So what exactly is bioluminescence? Well, you've probably seen it in action, even if you didn't realize it at the time. It's the enchanting glow of fireflies on a warm summer evening, the mysterious light of a jellyfish pulsating in the ocean's depths, or perhaps the eerie illumination of certain fungi in a dark forest. Bioluminescence is a natural phenomenon, a literal light of life, that occurs when light is produced by a chemical reaction within living organisms. This captivating spectacle isn't confined to any one type of organism or environment. It's a universal marvel, spanning across various species in the animal and plant kingdoms, from terrestrial to marine environments. So how does this process actually work? Well, bioluminescence occurs when a molecule called luciferin reacts with oxygen. This reaction is often facilitated by an enzyme known as luciferase, which speeds up the process. When luciferin and oxygen mix, they produce a highly energized intermediate substance. As this substance returns to its normal lower energy state, it emits the excess energy as a photon, a particle of light. This is the essence of bioluminescence. It's a process that is remarkably efficient. Unlike a light bulb, which wastes most of its energy as heat, bioluminescent organisms emit almost all of their light energy as visible light, with very little loss as heat. That's why a firefly can light up without burning up. Moreover, the light produced by bioluminescent organisms can be different colors, from blue and green to yellow and even red. The color of the light depends on the structure of the luciferin molecule and the specific conditions of the reaction, such as the presence of other substances and the environment's temperature and pH level. It's fascinating to think that these living light bulbs have been glowing and flickering for hundreds of millions of years, adding a splash of luminescent color to our world's diverse tapestry of life. In simple terms, bioluminescence is nature's way of creating light. You'd be surprised at how widespread bioluminescence is in the natural world. As we delve deeper into this captivating phenomenon, we find a wide variety of organisms that exhibit this natural glow-in-the-dark ability. Starting on land, probably the most familiar of these light-emitting creatures are the fireflies. These enchanting insects, also known as lightning bugs, light up our summer nights with their intermittent flashes. This is their way of communicating, especially when it comes to attracting a mate. But it's not just these tiny insects that glow. Certain types of fungi, known as bioluminescent fungi, also emit a soft ethereal light. This eerie glow, often referred to as foxfire or fairy fire, can be seen in forests after dark, creating a magical atmosphere. Moving from land to water, we find an even greater diversity of bioluminescent creatures. In freshwater habitats, certain types of worms and crustaceans put on a radiant display, but it's in the ocean where bioluminescence truly comes to life. In the deep, dark depths of the sea, where sunlight can't reach, many creatures rely on bioluminescence for survival. From the tiny single-celled organisms known as dinoflagellates, which light up the water with a blue glow when disturbed, to the fearsome anglerfish, which uses its glowing lure to attract unsuspecting prey. And then there are the squids. Some squids use bioluminescence for communication, while others use it as a form of camouflage, emitting light from their undersides to match the light filtering down from above, making them invisible to predators looking up. Even some species of sharks are bioluminescent. The aptly named lantern shark, for instance, has light-emitting organs known as photophores scattered across its body. So, whether on land or deep in the ocean, bioluminescence is everywhere. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, a dazzling display of life's adaptability in the face of varying environments and challenges. And it serves as a reminder that there's still so much about our natural world that remains to be discovered and understood. It's fascinating, isn't it? But how does bioluminescence work? Bioluminescence, in essence, is a chemical reaction that takes place within certain organisms, allowing them to produce and emit light. This captivating phenomenon hinges on three key ingredients: a molecule called luciferin, an enzyme known as luciferase, and a source of energy, ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Let's break it down. Luciferin, the light-emitting substance, is at the heart of this reaction. When luciferin comes into contact with oxygen, it gets excited and moves to a higher energy state. But this state is unstable, and luciferin is eager to get back to its comfortable, lower energy state. This is where luciferase comes in. Luciferase acts as a catalyst, a sort of biological matchmaker, speeding up the reaction that allows luciferin to return to its original energy state. As luciferin settles back down, it releases the extra energy it had accumulated in the form of light. But what fuels this reaction? That's where ATP comes into play. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the primary energy currency of cells, providing the necessary energy to kickstart this reaction. It helps to break down luciferin, setting the stage for the reaction with oxygen. This intricate dance of molecules is happening constantly in bioluminescent organisms, from the smallest single-celled bacteria to larger animals like fireflies and deep-sea fish. Each flash of light, each glow, is a testament to this incredible chemical ballet happening within these organisms. While the process may vary slightly across different species, the basic principle remains the same. Bioluminescent organisms have evolved to harness this reaction, using it for a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to deterring predators. In the end, it all boils down to a simple chemical reaction. But the result is far from simple. It's a spectacular display of nature's ingenuity. A beautiful blend of chemistry and biology that lights up the darkness of the night or the deep sea. And just like that, a tiny spark of chemical reaction results in a beautiful light. So, where can you witness this magical light show? Well, bioluminescence is more common than one might think, and it can be found in various corners of our natural world. Imagine strolling along a beach at night when suddenly the waves crashing against the shore start to glow with a surreal, ethereal light. This spectacle, often seen on coasts where bioluminescent phytoplankton thrive, is a stunning example of nature's very own light show. The bioluminescent algae, disturbed by the movement of the waves, emit a ghostly blue glow, creating a mesmerizing scene that feels straight out of a fantasy novel. Picture, if you will, a warm summer evening. As the sun sets, a different sort of light begins to emerge. Fireflies, those tiny luminous beetles, start their nightly dance, their abdomens flickering on and off like tiny lanterns. This is not just a beautiful sight, but a complex form of communication between these creatures. Each blink and flicker is a coded message, used for everything from attracting mates to warding off predators. Now, let's imagine walking through a forest on a crisp autumn night. Among the fallen leaves and mossy logs, you notice a faint, otherworldly glow. Upon closer inspection, you find the source of this light: bioluminescent fungi. These mushrooms, sometimes called ghost fungi, glow in the dark due to a chemical reaction within their cells. The reason for their glow is still a mystery to scientists, adding an extra layer of intrigue to these already fascinating organisms. Bioluminescence truly paints a magical picture in the dark. It turns ordinary waves into glowing spectacles, makes beetles shine like stars, and draws mysterious glowing patterns on the forest floor. It's a phenomenon that reminds us of the endless wonders that nature holds, of the intricate, beautiful, and sometimes downright magical ways in which life on Earth has evolved. Bioluminescence truly paints a magical picture in the dark. But why do organisms glow in the dark? An intriguing question indeed. To answer that, we need to delve a little deeper into the functions of bioluminescence. There's a lot more to this natural light show than meets the eye. For many species, their survival hinges on their ability to light up. One such purpose is the attraction of prey. Organisms like the anglerfish use their glowing lure to draw in unsuspecting victims, turning a mesmerizing light display into a deadly trap. But it's not all about the hunt. Bioluminescence also acts as a deterrent to predators. Consider the case of the ostracod, a tiny crustacean that, when eaten by a predator, emits a burst of light. This sudden illumination startles the predator, often causing them to spit out the ostracod, hence saving its life. Now, imagine being in the deep, dark depths of the ocean where sunlight can't reach. It's here that bioluminescence plays a pivotal role in communication. Many deep-sea creatures use light signals to identify friends or foes, find potential mates, or even convey complex messages. The flashlight fish, for instance, uses its under-eye light to signal its school of fish, maintaining unity in the vast and murky ocean. Bioluminescence also aids in camouflage. Yes, you heard it right. Certain marine animals use a method called counter-illumination, where they match the light coming from above to erase their shadow, making them virtually invisible from predators lurking below. From the forest floor to the ocean's abyss, Bioluminescence is a language, a weapon, a shield, and so much more. It's a complex system developed over millions of years of evolution, demonstrating the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Bioluminescence serves a myriad of purposes, making it not just beautiful but also crucial for survival for many species. And as we continue to explore and understand this fascinating phenomenon, we can only marvel at the wonder and complexity of the natural world. Humans have been fascinated by bioluminescence for centuries. This enchanting phenomenon captivated our ancestors, who incorporated it into their lives and legends. From ancient cultures using fireflies as guiding lights, to indigenous tribes applying bioluminescent fungi for night illumination, we've long been beguiled by nature's glow. In the modern era, our fascination endures, but our approach has evolved. Today, we're not just observers of bioluminescence, we're students and innovators. Scientists have made strides in understanding this natural spectacle, using the knowledge to create glow-in-the-dark paints, develop medical diagnostics, and even illuminate our cities. Through biotechnology, we've begun to harness the power of bioluminescence in ways our ancestors could only dream of. The glow of a jellyfish can now be found in lab-grown organs, helping to advance medical research. And in the realm of art, bioluminescent installations light up galleries and public spaces, bringing a touch of nature's magic to our urban landscapes. We've always found ways to harness the glow. In fact, bioluminescence has proven to be incredibly useful in modern science and medicine. This natural phenomenon has been harnessed for a myriad of purposes, from tracking cells and molecules to developing life-saving treatments. Bioluminescent proteins, like those found in jellyfish, are often used as markers in biological research. By attaching these proteins to certain cells, scientists can track their movement and behavior in real time, providing crucial insights into how our bodies work. In the realm of medicine, bioluminescence plays a key role in developing new therapies. For instance, the bioluminescent properties of certain bacteria are being explored in cancer research. These bacteria can be engineered to emit light when they encounter cancer cells, essentially lighting up the disease and making it easier to detect and treat. So, while bioluminescence may be a beautiful spectacle in nature, it also plays a critical role in advancing our scientific and medical knowledge. It's amazing how this natural light can shed light on our health. Bioluminescence has not only illuminated our scientific endeavors, but our artistic ones too. This mesmerizing phenomenon has been a source of inspiration for many artists, sparking creativity in a myriad of ways. From the soft glow of fireflies captured in photography, to the vibrant hues of bioluminescent organisms replicated in paintings, the art world has found a muse in nature's glow. Beyond visual arts, bioluminescence has found its way into cultural practices as well. Festivals around the world celebrate this natural spectacle, with events designed to mirror the enchanting glow of bioluminescent organisms. These celebrations not only foster a sense of community, but also promote a deeper appreciation for the wonders of nature. In literature, bioluminescence has been used as a metaphor for hope, guidance, and mystery, further illustrating its profound impact on our creative expressions. By integrating these glimmers of light into our art and culture, we pay tribute to the luminous beauty of the natural world. Nature's light show continues to inspire us. With so much potential, what does the future hold for bioluminescence? As we look forward, envisioning a world illuminated by living light isn't just a dream. Imagine the streets lined with bioluminescent trees, replacing street lamps, creating an ethereal, eco-friendly glow. Picture sustainable light sources, powered not by electricity, but by the natural luminescence of organisms. These aren't mere fantasies, but potential realities in the burgeoning field of bioluminescence research. The possibilities seem as limitless as the stars in the night sky. So, to recap our journey into the world of bioluminescence, we've delved into the captivating realm where organisms radiate their own light, from the humble firefly to elusive deep-sea creatures. We've discovered the science behind this light show, exploring its diverse purposes in the wild. We've also seen how humans have harnessed this natural wonder in fields like medicine and art. Bioluminescence, in all its forms, truly is a marvel of nature. Before we end this illuminating journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more radiant revelations. We'd love to hear about your encounters with nature's glow-in-the-dark wonders in the comments. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always stay curious about the marvels of nature around you.